This is the Woodford RK-22MH wall hydrant repair kit for the vertical and horizontal 22 faucets. So in the kit, it's going to include the 2 metal handles, the hot and cold index button, the 2 handle screws, 2 packing nuts, 2 EPDM packings, 2 support washers, 2 rubber check valves, and then 2 seat washers with the seat washer screws. So a couple things to notice about each part, starting with the handle and working down. On the back end of the handle, on the inside, you can kind of see those splines or teeth. That's what's going to connect to that operating stem. Then the index buttons, they have the tabs on the bottom, kind of pop them into place and secure them to the handle. And then the handle screw, of course you got external threads driven by a flathead screwdriver. Then your packing nut, external threads to thread into the body of the faucet. And then the hex head in order to tighten it down.
Alright, I'm gonna put it on the other ones.
And you've got the rubber EPDM packing with the bevel in the middle. Now, they do look a little bit different on each side, but they can be installed either way. And you have your brass support washer, just a flat metal washer. And then the check valve, kind of like that top hat cone shape, bevel at the bottom. And the seats, kind of the same shape as the check valve, just without that kind of flange piece, and a lot smaller. Then your seat washer, also driven by flathead. And then you've got that little set of threads there. And then we can go ahead and get a couple dimensions of each of the parts, starting with the handle. We're just going to get an inner diameter here at the splines. It's going to be right at just above 1/4 of an inch. And our index button, do inner diameter at the bottom of the tab, right at 3/4 of an inch. Our packing nut, outer diameter of the hex head, it's going to be right at 1 inch. And EPDM, outer diameter 3/4 with a thickness right at 1/4 of an inch. Then our support washer, outer diameter right at about 7/8 of an inch. Our check valve, total height or length, we're right at 1/2 inch. And then an outer diameter of that flange piece, going to be right at 7/8. Last but not least, our seat washer, we right at 1/4 of an inch in height. Then measuring the flat side, outer diameter, same thing, right about 1/2 inch. And once again, this is the Woodford RK-22MH wall hydrant repair kit.